How to find the forgotten Wi-Fi password on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then go down and tap on Connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi at the top. Now, right next to your Wi-Fi network, tap on the settings icon. In here, you can see a section where it says password. So tap on that to review the password. So tap on this eye icon here. Now you need to verify your identity before you can view the password. So you can either use fingerprint or Face ID. Once you have verified your identity, the password will be revealed in that section there. So that is how you can view your Wi-Fi password. And once you have the password, you can share it to your friend or other people so that they can connect. Now you can also use QR code. So if you tap on that, that will generate the QR code, and they will be able to scan the QR to automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network without knowing the password. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.